What's going on YouTube? It is Sam's Diecast Showroom here, bringing you guys another video, an unboxing video. Today we're going to be doing 9 of these Retro Series Matchbox cars. These are all Target exclusives, and can't wait to get cracking into these. These are from the years 2020, 2021, and mostly 2022. Alright, let's just hop right into it. We're going to go in order here from 2020. These are Retro Series Matchbox. These are only Target exclusives. This is a really cool line. So from 2020, these two right here. This one looks like the Porsche 911 Rally, number 7 of 12. And here's the little card art on the back there. Very cool Porsche. And let's just crack this open. All Target exclusives. We have a really nice metallic brown copper color kind of with these off-road 6-spoke wheels in white. Very nice. Matchbox on the side. Nice cargo on the top. There's an off-road Porsche 911 Rally from 1985. Very cool. A gray interior and a really nicely detailed vehicle. Loving the designs on this. Number 85, Desert Endurance Race. Alright, that is our first one. Now we have, what is this? A 2006 Ford Crown Victoria. And I think this is one of my favorite Matchbox castings. And this looks like a taxi cab. Yep, number 10 of 12. In the series there. There you go. These are both from 2020. And I think I grabbed them around that time. Or maybe I grabbed these in 2021. Alright, let's get this open and take a nice look. Nice pale yellow color we have on this one. And let's see. Good spinning wheels? Yeah, we got good spinning wheels. I have one of these from my childhood. This is one of my childhood vehicles, except mine was white. It was a police car. But this is such a great, realistic casting. Looks great. And we have the black tri-blade wheels on this one with taxi, spot on taxi, and we have the little thing on top there. Really nice, realistic model, very cool, all yellowed out with a black interior, dial direct 24/7, and nice decals there for this taxi by Matchbox. Kind of hard to read the base, but it's an older casting. Very nice. Got 2 of these from 2020. And alright, this one's from 2021. This is the foam fire truck. I think this is something like it. Was it Wildfire rescue truck? This is from 2021. There's the mix there. That's a nice one, and that's a nice one as well. Termite Terminators. So interesting little thing here. From 2021, number 23 of 24 in that mix. The 2020 mix only had 12 cars, so a little bit of a tough crack there, but we got it open. Nice white color on this with the, I think those are flower rims, those orange flower rims. This has Wildfire Rescue on the bottom. This has a black plastic base, good spinning wheels, termite turbinators, poison, stuff like that. Something you drive off-road, maybe in the woods or something. Nice front end there. And I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to have any windows. Am I correct? I hope, yeah, it doesn't look like there's supposed to be a window there. We have a gray interior. Very nice. Wildfire rescue truck, kind of a Terminator truck. And now we're going to come up with the 2022 releases. We're going to go in order with these from 2022. This is the very first one, the 1970 Chevy El Camino, number 1 of 24, with the Widow livery, kind of like Black Widow spider livery. Let's get this open. Tore that a little bit. Let's see if we can pop it open. Uh-oh. Can we? Yeah, okay, let's see here. Try to get these pretty, somewhat decently clean. Okay, well that works. Nice. Alright, try not to destroy the packaging, but we have a nice gloss black color on the Chevy El Camino. Looks great. Looks a lot better loose. The Widow El Camino. There's a big spider on there. Not too big of a fan of spiders, but this looks really good. on this 1970 Chevy El Camino with a white interior and red windows. And black, red, and white decals with spider webs all over it. A gray plastic base. And I have one of the very first editions of this in metallic gold, I think, from 1998. This is a 2022 release, so around 24 years apart. I have two different variations of this casting. Next up, we're going to do, this is the 1970 Ford Capri, number 2 of 24, kind of a metallic drab green. And that was that was an easy crack. Let's see what we have here. We have a nice kind of a matte metallic with the green, and then we have a chrome plastic base. Nice design, nice realistic casting, metallic color. Look at that detail. That's pretty nice. No detail in the back though. We have some things there. That's pretty cool. And there's the back. Pretty cool. We also have a green interior on this one. So very nice. And the decals on the side as well. Very nice looking. Loving the rims as well on this one. Looks really good. Let's see. Next up. Whoa. Beautiful color on this Toyota MR2 from 1984. 3 of 24. Look at this metallic kind of like cyan or teal color. This looks great. Wow. Here's the mix there. Have all 6 of these that are going to be in this video opened up today. I don't have any more for the rest of the year, so yeah. This is a really nice Japanese import sports car. Get some of these out of the way. Really nice with those 6-spoke wheels, the sports 6-spoke wheels. Beautiful metallic color on this. And we have a black plastic base on this one. Pretty nice. We have detailed MR2 on the back. And there's the front there. Very nice model. Black interior, sunroof, nice looking sports car. And yeah, there's a nice look at it. Nice classic 80s retro sports car. Very cool. All right, next up we have, look at this, 1964 Austin Mini Cooper, number 4 of 24. Nice little white color on this one. Let's check it out. Another interesting, another good crack open there. White color on this one. Nice detail on the front. Check that out. Very cool with the grill on it. And there is the other side. A red interior. Looks good on this. Nice Mini Cooper from 1964. A chrome plastic base on this one. Very nice small car. Kind of like looks like the Mr. Bean car. Except that would be in a different color, of course. But looking good. There's the back there. No details in the back, but really nice Austin Mini Cooper by Matchbox in the Retro Series, the Target exclusive Retro Series. All right, we got 2 more to go, I believe. Here is the 1962 Volkswagen Beetle. Looking great in this mint green. Nice 50s, 60s style mint green kind of color. And I love my Volkswagen Beetles. I have quite a few of these. All right, let's get you cracked open and take a nice look at this. Beautiful color on this. We have a chrome plastic base. Good spinning tri-blade wheels. Yep, I'd say those spin very well. We have a chrome bumper. Nice details. Silver trim headlights. And a white interior. Black roof. That's part of the metal. Looking good. Trailer hitch as well. That's really nice. Can tow stuff. I have a green one. I have a green one of these. So very nice. Now we have a lighter green, and I can put that with that one as well. All right, and our final vehicle, one of the castings I'm actually quite fond of by Matchbox, the Willys Jeep, number 6 of 24. Nice designs there. Beautiful color on this one. Got to be careful when storing this one not to damage the windscreen. I know that windscreen can get a little bit damaged if you store it wrong. I know this casting is notorious, or not really notorious, but it just has really good suspension. It still does. Not much of a bounce on my surface here. Metallic copper. Look at this. Beautiful color. MBX Swamp Crew. Really nice tan interior. Gray plastic base. A nice dark gray plastic base. Made in Thailand. I have a few of this casting. Flower wheels on this one. 1948 Willys Jeep. Supposed to have good this does have good suspension. You have to force it up a little bit. I wouldn't force it on the back, but the front can pretty much go all the way up top. And I'm not bending it either. That's how it's designed to be. And I was actually pretty surprised that I found out that this had good suspension. Nice spare tire in the back as well. Really nice models. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. Just opened up some new 2020, 2021, and 2022 releases by Matchbox. These are the Target Retro Series, and we got 9 new cars here out and loose. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know in the comments section down below. Toyota MR2 is my pick. Thank you all for watching. Please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.